Tracing the horizon line, palm trees sway in perfect time. Waves whisper secrets in my ear, paradise feels so near. Barefoot in the golden sand, driftwood castles made by hand. Coconut dreams float on the breeze, living life with ease. Sailing through
Welcome to our next Indonesia video. We are in Labuan Bajo in the island of Flores for our next adventure here in Indonesia. We are really going to be focusing on islands, boats, swimming, beaches on this part of the trip. Labuan Bajo is the jumping off point for the Komodo National Park, which obviously is known for the Komodo dragons, but also is known for some of the best snorkeling, diving, sea life in the area. So we're excited to explore all that here. The popular way to do it is via boat tour. They have day trips, they have overnight trips, they have multiple day trips. So we're gonna try and figure out what is the best option for us over the next day or two, and then take off and see all the great things to see around here. This is our homestay right now, Manta Manta. It's pretty nice, and we have a nice view of the harbor here. Alright, our second day in Labuan Bajo, and it was a chill day. We walked around town a bit, saw the sights. It was fairly nice. There are some nice restaurants, some nice shops. You can tell this town is definitely built up for tourists, so things are a bit expensive, but we just got back from a nice Italian dinner, and that was very good. Had probably the best pizza I've had on this trip, so props to that. We also finalized our boat cruise plans this morning, and we have decided to do the 4-day, 3-night cruise to Lombok. So this is one of the longer ones we can do, and we're still going to be hitting a lot of the main sites in Komodo National Park, but then we'll be continuing on to Lombok, another island, which we're excited about. So doing a little packing up now. As you can see, it's a mess, but by tomorrow morning we'll be packed up and ready to go. All right, starting our 4-day cruise. We are on the boat. Here we go. We're at our first stop, Rinca Island, where we'll hopefully see some Komodo dragons. Okay, wrapping up stop 1 here, Rinca Island. Saw a couple Komodo dragons, which was cool. They are big, though they are very lazy. They weren't really doing much, just chilling, and a couple nice panoramic views. So, good first stop. All right, our second stop of the day here at an island whose name I don't remember, but we did a little bit of snorkeling. It was pretty good. Not the best, not the worst, above average I'd say. Saw a decent amount of fish, it was good. Now we're just chilling here for a little bit. Got myself a Bintang beer. Got our boat out there. So, good.
Sunset on the water, waves rolling slow. Golden light, just hold me in your glow. Feel the warmth, the world is moving slow. Breeze whispering secrets we don't know. Shadows growing long, colors bend. Ocean whispers softly like a friend. Footprints in the sand, they never end.
Alright, second day. Woke up early this morning to hike Padar Island, where they have beautiful views. Also super crowded here, which is a little unfortunate, but I guess that's what happens at beautiful places that are very popular. So as you can see, sun has come up and it is very nice. All the boats down there. You can see with all the boats how many people are on the island. So first stop of the day, then we got a couple snorkeling and beach stops later.
Never been underneath the sky, we feel so.
Alright, second stop of the day, a pink beach. Super clear water. And you can kind of see the pinkness in the sand. Wrapping up on Pink Beach here. It's a super nice beach. Sand soft and pink, water clear and blue. So definitely an A+ stop. Maybe one of the, I think maybe the best stop yet.
Yeah.
Best stop?
So far, yeah, I would say so.
Yeah.
Not too crowded either.
Yeah. On to the next one. Okay, last stop of the day. It's another island, I forgot the name, I'll put it in the notes. But it's a nice one. This one is very empty. We parked our boat off the shore and I swam up over along with one or two other folks from the boat. And we got it all to ourselves. So it's nice. Some decent snorkeling on the way as well. We're gonna hang out here a bit and then head back.
Sand between toes, sun starts to climb. Waves crashing, gentle roll. Mind freed, no care, no hold. Palm trees sway, whispers slow, breeze kissing skin, hearted blue. Surfers ride their ocean hymn, life pulses strong, truth in. Walking the line where the waves kiss the shore, feel the rhythm of life, asking for more. Step by step we feel that sweet freedom ring. Summer light makes everything sing.
Okay, our final stop of day 3, and we docked right off the shore there, and I think we are going hunting for a waterfall. So off we go.
Seagull screams free in flight, sunbeams dance in the clear blue light. Free to wander, lose track of time, echoes of joy pure as rhyme. Salt water air breathes us new, every step.
Alright, day 3 here on our sailing trip. Started the morning off at Satonda Island, where we went to a saltwater lake and swam around there for a bit. It was nice. It was a big lake, nice scenery. It looked like probably formed from almost a volcano crater type thing, surrounded by mountains and trees, and very salty water. Definitely one of the saltier saltwater lakes I've been in. So then we went to back on the boat, cruised for a couple hours, and went to Moyo Island. And then our last stop of the day is just off of Madong Island, which is over this way. Yeah, I probably can't see it too much, but yeah, just stopping here I think to switch out some of the crew. So last day on the boat, it's been good, though we'll definitely be ready to get back to land. Okay, our last stop on this boat trip. We are at Kenawa Hill for sunrise. Climbing up the hill now. And the sun starting to rise in the distance.
Sun kissing the horizon line, palm trees sway in perfect time. Waves whisper secrets in my ear, paradise feels so near. Barefoot in the golden sand, driftwood castles made by hand. Coconut dreams float on the breeze, living life with ease.